The recent blizzard left many KELOLAND communities under a blanket of snow, so we sent KELOLAND's Max Hofer up to Dual County in the northeastern part of the state to do some digging and see how the folks in Clear Lake are handling things.
I haven't been out of the house since probably Tuesday night.
After seeing 17.8 inches of snow, the Clear Lake community is slowly inching their way out.
Just getting a one-path lane for our van that took about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So
what happened once you got the lane cleared?
As you can see behind me, our van got stuck.
That was a common theme.
Honestly, we spent about 4 hours digging out yesterday and just were able to get out the alley, and today just kind of continued and haven't ventured any farther.
After it seemed like spring had sprung, the recent fall brought some frustrations.
The disheartening thing was it had just all melted.
But in spite of the challenges that come with so much snow, the people of Clear Lake are still looking on the bright side.
I know there's maybe a little more precip, but whatever we can melt is awesome. So, you know, I also coach track and teach, so this always makes for a little bit of adventure with that as well.
And before long, it should start looking and feeling like spring.
I guess we'll just wait for it to melt.